There once lived a man who spread a vicious rumor that his neighbor was a thief. As a result, the neighbor was arrested. Many weeks later, it was proven that the young man arrested was innocent. Upon release from jail, he quickly sued his neighbor for wrongly accusing him. In court, standing before the judge, the defendant pled they were just simple comments. No one was harmed. The judge ordered the accuser to write down all the things that were said on slips of paper, cut them up, and on his way to the next hearing, throw them out. At the next hearing, the judge explained, "Before I hand down your sentence, I need you to retrieve the slips of paper you tossed out." The man yelled out, "That's impossible. The wind scattered them all over the place." The judge responded by letting him know that his simple comments were capable of destroying someone's reputation, and that once words have been spoken, there's nothing any of us can do to retrieve them. If you enjoy tales of wisdom, folk tales, and stories that challenge the intellect, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be made aware when I have newer videos available. I am your griot, Baba the Storyteller. Until our paths cross again, which I hope will be soon. Doni Doni, Kununi Benyagada.